Greetings. I'm back. Hope you guys are well. I want to give a couple of quick updates on our 40-mile challenge. Just remember that's still happening, and it's so awesome to see what you guys are up to. Some great things being done. Overall, we've logged. It's May 19th, right? Just over halfway, and overall, collectively, you guys have recorded over 1,000 human-powered miles, which is outstanding. It's great to see people riding their bikes, out walking, going for runs, taking their dogs for a walk, fishing. So that's awesome. Over 1,000 miles is great. That's exactly what Miss Moore and I were shooting for, and we're proud of those efforts. A couple of shout outs to people that have already got to 40 miles. So these names of people that have surpassed the 40-mile mark and already earned their stripes. So that's Gib Barnett, Drew Moore, Ethan Kaharick, William Adams, Ashley Bennett, Brody Scott. You're so close. I know you're probably going to get it today. Also to Miss Moore. By my math, Miss Moore is over the 40-mile mark as well. So that's awesome to see. Remember that everybody that does it gets a Quarantine Club 40-mile challenge t-shirt from the Grayling PE department. Also, you get a coupon to Northbound for $5 off a $20 purchase. And Northbound is throwing in a special prize. I still don't know what it is for the top boy and girl. So keep it up. It's great to see. The weather's getting really nice for the rest of the week. And I hope to see you guys out on the trail. I hope you're all well.